So in this little tutorial I will show you how to get the CGTimer to work on Windows so that you can show the clip time and remaining clip time anywhere within your production as long as you're on the same network. So to get this to work, we need to tell the CasparCG client within the configuration to send messages to this program. This program can be on any computer in the network as long as it can receive OSC. So if we do right click open with Notepad, we're gonna add a little bit to this configuration. I will copy paste it now and explain a little bit. And I will also leave this a little bit in the description. So what we're seeing here is that we're sending OSC, predefined clients, because we can add multiple clients to the configuration file. If you want to send OSC commands to multiple addresses in the network, my local IP is 192.168.1.130. So you need to change this address to wherever this is running, and the standard port for the program is 6251. So if we now start CasparCG, let's make this a little bit smaller, and we also start the CasparCG client. Go to videos, and then we hit F2, and now we see how much the clip has played and how much time there is remaining. And that's it.